Samsung did make several major hardware improvements to the Galaxy S23 Ultra over its predecessor, but it seems that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will offer some significant hardware advancements. The screen size and resolution of the handset have been disclosed in the latest leak by trusted tipster Ice Universe. According to tipster Ice Universe, Samsung will outfit the Galaxy S24 Ultra with a 6.78-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with Quad HD Plus resolution, a 19.5:9 aspect ratio, and a peak brightness of 2500 nits. The peak brightness of the Oppo Find X6 Pro will be matched by the display on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which will be 750 nits brighter than the iPhone 14 Pro Max. It's probable that it's a Samsung Display M13 screen, which has been rumored for a while. Earlier this year, the South Korean company unveiled the UDR 2000 display, which has a peak brightness of up to 2000 nits, but the ON panel rumored to be used in the Galaxy S24 Ultra would be much better. On Monday, tipster Ice Universe shared a photograph of the alleged Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, which reveals the front section of the device. Unlike its predecessor, this handset looks to have a display with no curved corners. The display's bezels look to be comparable to those of this year's model, and the leaked picture also reveals a centerline hole punch cutout for the selfie camera, which is situated at the top of the display. If this is accurate, it will be the first time in many years that Samsung's very top flagship will abandon the curved display. In fact, 2024 may be the year when Samsung's flagship lineup will feature no curved display phones at all. Curved displays have subsequently become a hallmark of premium and luxury design in smartphones, with Apple's iPhone being the one noteworthy holdout, which is projected to stick with flat displays even with the iPhone 15 series. Flat displays are probably more comfortable to hold and operate, and they work well with screen protectors and covers. The rest of the smartphone market has followed Samsung's lead, with most Pro and Ultra smartphones including curved displays. It will be fascinating to watch how the industry and customers respond to Samsung potentially moving back to flat displays. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.